Nice wine bottle. Yum. Pit bike adventures. My boat! Whoa. What is up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a little bit of I think it's gonna be like a vlog. One of my buddies is getting new wheels and tires on this truck and they're like way too big for it. So I'm gonna go help him do that later. Today we're gonna go do some hill climbing down at the river by my house. And we're gonna rip these things because there's like a really steep hill that we were hitting the other day and it's like really hard to get up. We might have to bring some shovels or something. But we actually took the big bikes out to a track the other day. I didn't film because it was my first day on the track this year. So it's pretty rusty, I'll be honest. And it's my first time on a 450 on the track, because I was always riding my 250 or a 125, but Max had his out too. But I'm gonna slap on the GoPro and we're gonna go out and do some hill climbs. What is up, boys? We're back on that GoPro grind. Max is coming, but we're going down to this little river part down here. Look at this corn, just everywhere. It is mobbed deep in the tree line. Look at that. Oh my God. Yes, I do have access to this, so don't act like I'm trespassing. No, I don't have the key right now, so we go up and around. It's my neighbor's property, so yeah. People wanted the pit bike adventures, so this kind of counts. Max is making a bunch of noise with his. He probably can't even hear me, but here's that hill climb hill right here. There's like branches and stuff all over it, so we're gonna have to clear a path to get up over this. Oh yeah, yeah, this is the hill that we gotta climb. We just gotta find a spot to get up it. Oh, we should have brought the chainsaw. Oh yeah. Nice wine bottle. Yum. Pit bike adventures. What is that? Surge? It's probably good that I don't know what it is, honestly. Oh, I'll move some shit out of the way. This stuff is all dead, so it's actually pretty convenient because it's easy to move. It's so light, it's just shit. My nice white helmet just getting destroyed right now, probably. Holy, that's a log. Oh. All this stuff down into the pit. That didn't work. Let's keep chucking it. But we do have access to this spot, so no chirping about trespassing, illegal, blah, blah, blah. It's my neighbor. I know him. Lets me use it. I actually cleared this out with the Bobcat the other week in order for him to let me use it. It was a fair trade. Oh, easy. That was really easy. I'll hit it and then we gotta make something over here. That's too easy. Whoa, wheelied up that thing. Oh. Plywood might need that. Make a little sketchy ramp back here, but people wanted pit bike adventures. Pit bike adventures is what you got right here. We're going to go down to the water too to look at that. And then you gotta run into all this crap. In the summer, this just gets super overgrown. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh! Give her! Oh! Look at that little, that little hump destroys everything. Oh! Second gear dog. Made it. Oh yeah. There's a stick caught in my brake. Asshole. Oh! Made it. First gear all the way up. We went across the other day on this boat. Kind of funny. But the river is getting lower, I'll tell you that. Once it gets so low that you can just walk across on the rocks, because the rocks show. We tried to do some bass fishing, but we got nothing. Can you see me? My hair's sticking out of here. Looks great. My boat! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, it is. Oh, Jesus. Nice barbed wire to put a hole in your tire. That tree needs to go. Whoa, we are getting slow. Oh, geez, we gotta move it all the way over. It got heavier. Okay. No, but I want to do more of a hip. Like this. Putting the tire on and Chris already gouged it. Way to go. Not the freshies. Not the freshies. This is gonna be tight in here. Oh yeah. Chris is spiffing right now. Way more than me. I'll give him that. There's the old stance. These wheels, that dish is big. We got a little rubbage up here. Gonna have to cut like somewhere around through there up to here. Thinking about just taking this off for now, but she looks pretty good.
Body delete?
Body delete.
I think I'm just gonna body delete. Just here. Back.
Yeah, just whistling diesel this thing.
Yeah.
Tip her upside down and she'll fit. No, but seriously, it looks really good. These are the TIS what?
554 BM.
554, whatever that is. I like the writing that goes around the whole thing. Looks awesome. I think they're drilled for a Ford too, so I might have to buy them off them. But yeah, looks good, boys.
I really don't want to do this at all.
Why? Just a little cut.
You're just gonna want to edit this part out. You have got to be kidding me.
All right, let's see where it was. Oh, here it is. She is thicker than a Snicker.
This one's got some nice girth to it.
This is a chrome delete. But chrome gets dome, I thought.
Chrome does
So
get
does
dome.
red gets head. You're wearing red, so.
But too much chrome does not get dome.
Dome. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you can hear me with Chris cutting back there, but he's got to cut a ton of that off. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any ideas on what we should do next, but I hope you like the pit bike adventures. I'll catch you next time.